Hi guys, today I am gonna show you a very easy DIY which I have created out of mosquito repellent empty refill, and I have made it as a diffuser, electric diffuser for essential oils. Just take any empty refill and wash it thoroughly with soap and water and let it dry. Once it is dried, fill up with fresh water and put few drops of essential oil of your choice. Here I have used lavender oil. You can use any oil of your choice, and fix it back and put it inside the machine, and your diffuser is ready to be used. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up.